dokie. We are on lesson number 12, things in the house. This video goes along with our beginning sign language class. So we have book, phone, like you are talking on an old one, phone, bed, like you're laying on one, bed, chair, twice, chair, couch is a big old long chair, couch, table, computer, computer, toilet, twice like you're flushing it, toilet, bathroom, the sides and then the front and the back, bathroom, and office with O hands, office, house, like the roof and the sides of the house, on, just put your lead hand on your support hand, and where, remember where. Okay, now what am I asking? Please tell me in comments. See you in video number 13.